blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. Amen. Truly, di ba? Nakaka-fuel up yung kanta na to. It really a reminder that in times that ramdam natin yung pagkakalugmok, in times that we feel offended, we feel that we are alone, and we are just the only person fighting for something and fighting for yourself, and you are the only person who just carry these mountains, diba? This fully loaded problems in you. Always be mindful that God is around. He is always supporting you and helping you. Count your blessings, diba? One by one. Kung gaano ka-amazing yung galawan ng Lord sa buhay mo. Kung gaano siya ka-powerful and mighty despite of those typhoons, despite of all those mountains na kailangan mong tawirin, is still yung comfort niya, yung favor niya, yung provision niya, yung grace niya, yung hope, diba? Everything na kinakailangan mo is always nandun, is always na nandyan, no matter what, diba? Count your blessings. Those blessings is from above, diba? That you may feel that hindi mo na kaya, you may feel that you are not important, you may feel that puro ka na lang failure, that you can never overcome this kind of typhoon in front of you, but God is always there. He provides something for you. The miracles is always waiting for you. Yung victory mo is always ahead of you, diba? Always be mindful that you just need to see Him first. Seek His presence first before anything else. And I believe all will be added unto you na accordingly in His perfect and amazing time. Just continue to be a blessing, to be a great encourager to many people that surrounds you. Always give that pure smile inside of you, inside your heart, with the sincerity of speak of life in each and every one people na may encounter mo each day.